So hey guys, I am Rohan and welcome to my video. And today I have this new Creta 2021 and I'll show you all the features of this car. And so starting with the front, there is this chrome grille, white big chrome grille, and we have these DRLs, LED DRLs. These do not on in the day, and we have this projector setup, and same on the other side, and we have this fog lamps and air curtains that's good for the airflow. And we have these stylish wheel caps, which looks like the alloys, and in the side we have this silver finish and roof rails that starts from the S model, and this is the S model guys, and this is the shark fin antenna. And in the rear we have this rear defogger and wipers that comes in the S model, and these fully LED tail lights with 4 LED lights, and this is the look of the lights, and the rear look is very stylish. And at the back we have this silver finish, and this is the side profile of the car. You can see it's very wide, and now I would show you the boot. This is the hood of the car, and it has 1.5 liter engine with 143 bhp power and 250 newton meters of torque, and you can see the engine. And this engine gives and we have this insulation inside. So this engine gives 21 kmpl of mileage, and I would show you the boot. This boot has 443 liters of capacity, and this is the partial seal that comes in S model. And this is the spare tire that is of the same size. So this is the boot, and you have some space to keep things here. So, and this is the thing to hold and close the boot. So all this we have in the exterior, and the tire size is 16-inch, and we have keyless entry. So, and we do not get ORVMs here. So now I would show you the car from inside. And firstly, what I noticed is that we sit very upright in the car, and I should start the car. We have push start button in the car, and ये कार का instrumental cluster है. We have this MID here, and it tells us the distance to empty and mileage and many other features. Trip meter, there are 2 trip meters, and it tells about the song we are playing and many other informations. And this is the speedometer, and this is the RPM meter, and this is the D-cut steering wheel we have, and these are the voice controls. all the call features and touchscreen infotainment controls are controlled from here. And this is the cruise control. These are the cruise control buttons, and this is the MID buttons. We could control this from here. There is a decut steering wheel and all the windows buttons, and we have a silver finish here on the handles as well, and there are bottle holders. So these are the very good looking AC vents. And in S model we get automatic climate control, and the use of material is really good in this car. And we have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay in the car, and many other features we have. There is driver rear view monitor. You can see you have driver rear view monitor. So, and you can connect two Bluetooth devices simultaneously on the car. And here we have this armrest, two cup holders, and this storage space, and 12-volt charging socket, fast charger, and USB for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And this is the dashboard of the car. There's good storage space also here. And these are the seats of the car, fabric seats that come in the S model. In SX you get the leather seats. And this is the sunglass holder and lights of the car. And you have manual seats which you can adjust, and there is a dead pedal also here. So these are the features of the car of S model. This is the door of the car. At the rear, now we are sitting at the rear, and firstly you have this sunshades that you can use. It's very useful in the summers. And you get these AC vents and charging socket that is in the S model. And these are the seats, and this is the look of the dashboard. And the seats are really comfortable, and you have this much of legroom, and the headroom is also very good. So 3 people can easily sit here, and there are no adjustable headrests in this. So आपको adjustable headrest SX model में मिलते हैं. And the price of this car is around 13.8 lakhs ex showroom, and it comes 5.30 on road. So now I'll show you the speakers of the car. It has 4 speakers and 2 tweeters, and the speakers quality is very awesome. And I'll play a music for you. So and if you want more videos on this car, I could show you. So we are playing this song.
We're nothing more than friends. You're not my lover, more like a brother. I know you since we were like 10. Yeah, don't mess it up. Talking that shit.
speakers of this car are really good, and I forgot to tell you the headlight controls. We get automatic headlamps here, and you can adjust this from here, and wiper controls, rear wiper and front wiper. So this is all about this car, and this is a very good package in 13.8 lakhs ex showroom. So you could buy this, and in the next videos I would tell you my driving experience of this car. So